Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new Webflow video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you something very interesting, which is how to send Webflow form submissions to Google Sheets. This is very simple and easy guys, so follow me step by step. The first thing that I'm going to do is to go ahead and view my dashboard, and I'm going to search for the marketplace apps, and I'm going to search for a certain specific app that is called Zapier. So Zapier here is going to be our third-party application that's going to be connecting our Webflow sites and data with our Google Sheets. Click on Install Application and then choose your account and click here to connect Webflow to 8,000 plus applications. Here we are going to create an event. This event should have Webflow and also Google Sheets. So let's go ahead and click here, add Google Sheets. Of course, you can go ahead and basically write down here to the copilot or copilot here, like this is an AI, so auto send Webflow form submissions to Google Sheets. Click on send, and this should basically generate a whole event for you. This is going to be very convenient for you because it's going to fastest the process and makes it automatically for you, but you could do it manually. I'm going to show you here how to do it, of course, automatically, as you can see. So send Webflow form submission to Google Sheets. So here, as you can see, new form submission, and here on the other side, create spreadsheet row. So this is something pretty cool and easy to make during inside of Zapier. So now what's left to do is to log into your account in the Webflow and in the Google Sheet. So you have to log in with the Webflow account and the Gmail account. Here there's some other things you have to configure. Here, of course, your site and which form you would like to have. And here, of course, you will need to configure which spreadsheet you would like it to have your information. And once you're done, click on publish, and there you go. There you have it. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave us a comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.